be sure and like this page and follow it so that you'll get updates as soon as I go live, and share this video because somebody may need these makeup tips. So let's dive in. I've already done my morning skincare regimen, changing things up just a little bit because I'm noticing a little bit of dullness in my face. So I'm using my Cica Peptide as a first step serum. It's going to help firm and tighten my skin, and it also helps with blemishes, so don't want any of those. My vitamin C serum, that's helping with dark spots, also helping with like deep wrinkles, fine lines, things like that we don't want. Vitamin C is also going to brighten your skin. If you're feeling like your skin's kind of dull, you need that. Belif Aqua Bomb, bam, it's got a little built-in primer to it, and it's fabulous moisture for your skin. And then I did my SPF 50 because you've got to protect your face. Like, we don't want to damage your skin. If you're doing all this good skincare, you don't want to damage it. Depuffing eye serum, and this isn't even out yet. It's coming. I'm going to be telling you more about it. It's our vitamin C eye brightening serum. So it's going to help brighten dark spots. Can you tell a difference in my under eye area? It's definitely already looking better. Okay. So that's all the skincare. It's already layered on. I've got it all on. When you're layering skincare, it's important to remember to do one layer at a time. Let it dry and then go, like I'll brush my teeth, do a layer, brush my teeth, then do another layer and, I don't know, do something, get something dressed. So I just kind of layer it on so that it can penetrate your skin and do the work. You need it to do all the good. Okay. We're going to use our VDL Lumalayer Primer this morning because we're going to have a little glow. Man, it is rainy and nasty outside here in Texas, and we just need to give ourselves a little bit of a glow because we want the rain. We do not want to let the rain dull our sparkle, right? Yeah. Okay, so we got that done. Now we're going in with our Cashmere Complexion in shade Cannoli. Getting a little bit of a tan, so I'm pretty excited. I'm probably going to bump up a shade in this, but this Cashmere Complexion, you guys, 24-hour wear. It feels so good. Good morning, gal. Good morning, Angie. Hi, how are you guys? It's not good for the fishing, is it? This rainy weather. Yuck. Okay. So I've got that on my hand, and I'm just going to use my beauty blender. Make sure if you're using a beauty blender, I had somebody message me the other day and be like, this beauty blender is hard as a rock. Why is it so hard? Okay, if you're using a beauty blender like this, these are like, I don't know, $5 from Avon. Be sure and wet it before you use it, because if you wet it, it's going to help it to not absorb all of your makeup, and it's also going to make it softer while you're applying your makeup. So just a little tip, if you're using a beauty blender, be sure and wet it before you use it, because other than that, it's going to feel like you're pounding a rock on your face, and it doesn't feel so good, and it's probably not the best for your skin. Something else I recently learned is that doing a like patting motion like I do with my foundation also helps to make the blood flow in your face better. So it also helps to brighten your skin. So I thought that was a pretty cool thing. So if you're applying foundation, either with your fingers or a beauty blender, if you will do that patting motion, it's going to help get the flow going in your face. And you want that because you want brighter skin. Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha. We're going to use that for our concealer. Right now, our foundation is buy the foundation, get the concealer half price. I kind of messed that one up a little bit. It's okay. We'll work on it. We'll get it blended. So that's an incredible deal. Don't miss out on it. So you get buy one, get one half price. Hello. Okay, let's work on these brows with our new tattoo station, which launches next Tuesday. Comes in 4 different shades. You're gonna need this. Every woman needs this in their life. Your brows are the gateway to your face, and it's gonna just open up in ways that you didn't even know. Now, with the quarantine, you may all be like, girl, I already got caterpillars on this face. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't need to draw anything in. Okay, well, then in that case, you're going to get it waxed eventually. So you're going to need something to actually help add to it. Yes, it is extremely windy in North Texas too. I can hear the wind howling outside. It's crazy. It's crazy how one day we can go from 100 degrees to 60 degrees and windy and rainy. That's Texas. Or like 40 degrees. It's crazy. Okay. See? They're not horribly big like caterpillars. They're just drawn on and filled in. Okay, I'm taking that finger and I'm just gently patting that concealer in, and it's making a big circle underneath to pull that light away from those dark circles and fine lines. And it's not cakey looking. It really has a good little appearance to it. So you can kind of see, I'm going to kind of do a little bit on my nose because I have a little extra shine today. I don't know where that came from. Okay, Magix Dust translucent powder. You guys, I tell you this every day. It's my favorite. It feels like these little light, little fairy satins just touching, just putting it on my brush. I'm just going to brush it on very gently. So it will set my makeup and make it a little bit more matte finish, and it helps to blend. I think it definitely helps to blend that concealer and that foundation. So, and it takes that shine off my nose, which I don't know how I got. So it's doing all the good today. I was thinking this morning about what are some things that you've had to give up because of quarantine or COVID-19. Are there any things in your life that you had to give up? So, you know, it's crazy. I was just thinking, we're going to go in with Monopop today. That, getting these two lighter shades. I really want to go on a vacation. Like a beach is calling my name, or a mountain or something. I mean, I'm at the point I'd even go to the mountains if I had to. It's not really my favorite vacay, but, you know, I think as Americans, we have gotten to where we can travel and go even to the next town and go shopping, or, you know, just do whatever we want. And I'm starting to feel like restrained. Of course, we've been on isolation since the middle of March, and it is the middle of May almost. So, okay. We're going to go in now and pick up a little bit of this color and this color. Blend in a little of that. Work that crease. We're going to do a little bit of a sunrise color here. Different than our typical browns. I like it. What do you think? Just bringing it down, starting at that crease. Okay, this is pretty. Gonna give us a little bit of a different look. The cool thing about this Monopop palette is you can really pull so many different color combinations to give it a different look. So what are some things that you are missing that you would normally be able to enjoy right now? I think that there's a lot of things. Mother's Day's coming up, so we still get to celebrate Mother's Day, and I'm going to take that as an opportunity to not cook. That's how I'm going to celebrate Mother's Day. Not that that's a whole lot different than any other day, because I hate to cook. I'd rather do makeup. So I picked up that gold and then this lighter neutral color up here, and I'm just blending that right here just to blend those colors. It's giving us a little bit of a different look. I like it. Thoughts? Could you rock this? We're going to take our, thank you, Josephine. I used the translucent powder a couple of times. It really feels good on your skin. And I love a powder that enhances your face. It doesn't mask your face. And that's really what that Magic Dust does. Okay, we're going to take our Glimmer Shadow in shade Pink Topaz. And I'm going to add just a little bit of glimmer to, I'm putting it on my hand, a little bit of glimmer to this eye. I'm going to be out today. I've got to do some deliveries. So I'm going to spice it up just a little bit. It's really kind of a rose gold, that glimmer shadow is. So I'm just putting it on that base part. And I'm just patting it on. I'm not smearing. It is a cream base shadow, but it doesn't crack. And I'm just patting it gently over that. There we go. Pretty, pretty. Could you rock that? Would you rock that? I think it turned out pretty good. Okay, let's do our liquid SuperExtend Precision liquid liner, and I'm going to get in here and give you a better look at this eye. There we go. I went a little bit further out than I would like. Some people are into the winged look, but I have a little bit of crepiness around the outside of my eyes, so I'm not really into that winged. I wouldn't say it's ideal. If you have the aging eyes, probably don't want that. Okay, that liquid liner is so awesome because it goes really just where you put it. It has that pinpoint tip and it goes just where you want it, and it will stay all day long, which is one of my other favorite parts of that, is that it's not an eyeliner that will wash off. We don't want to do that because then you're going to be like, where did my eyes go? Going to give those lashes a little bit of a curl up using our Love Mascara. Good morning. Oh, thank you, my sweet friend. Hey, yesterday was a no makeup day here. I had lots to get done, and I was like, not doing makeup today. But we gotta have days, right? We gotta have our own days. Cindy, I have an order for you. I've got to get it together. I will text you. Okay. Y'all, this Love Mascara, it's everything. So if you haven't liked and followed my page yet, please make sure that you have liked and followed the page and share the video. Somebody else may need these tips. Okay. Hey Google, turn off. My Google's playing a song that I'm pretty sure is going to get us in trouble, so we don't want to risk that. Not today. We're going to use our Earthen Rose blush and give it just a little bit of a kiss of blush on these cheeks to go with our colors on our eyes. Making the fish face. Yay! She's so excited. She's getting her makeup today. All right, for lipstick, let's go with our Respect, because it's going to kind of match our little tie-dye action shirt we've got going on here today. And I've gone kind of bold on my eyes, so I want to pull it down with a little bit of a neutral color on the lips. So let me give you the full look. Here we go. It's done. Yay. I think the eyes turned out really well. I like that different variety of color. So I hope you enjoyed these tips. You can shop for these products on your avon.com/jwoolsey, and I'll put that link for you in the comments. You can do your own color match now, which is really fun. We have a virtual makeover tutorial, so you can try out some of these colors and see how they'll look on your face. So take that time. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have an amazing day. Happy Mother's Day to all those moms out there. and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.